What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a metal cutting wheel. I used to go to Harbor Freights like all the time. Now I think this Amazon is going to just take everybody out, you guys. Right here we have 52-piece 4.5-inch metal blade, okay, or metal wheel, whatever you want to call it. We'll leave it as that. Let's go ahead, check it out, get into it. And if I have to do some exhaust work or anything, then I can just use this cutting wheel. Nice. So they split it half and half. All right. This is awesome, you guys, and at a good price. Right there. You don't get no instructions with this, you guys. So this is basically something that you supposed to be knowing already before you get into this. Use your proper PPE. So right there tells you all of your safety stuff. All right, there you go. Product specs right there. On this side it says applications, and then as you know, all right, so that's the front right there. All right, you guys, let me go ahead, put this together and try to make a little quick cut, see how it cuts. But yeah, and if I have some Harbor Freight ones, I'll try to put it side by side just to test out the durability of these things. All right, you guys, so here is a brand that comes from Harbor Freight. This is a 4-inch, this is a 4.5-inch. They both seem the same, have the same thickness to it. Obviously, you can see wear your proper PPE, you guys. How did that happen? I was cutting something and it just broke apart. So definitely make sure you wear your proper PPE. So yeah. Oh, there we go. There we go. All right. All right, so with this is a Chicago Electric. Got this from Harbor Freight, you guys. Thinking about getting another one, preferably a battery. Out with that. Now we got our 4.5. Put this on. We make sure it's tight. Make sure it's tight, you guys. Please be safe. We have it on there. Now we're going to check out a cut. All right, you guys, so make sure you're wearing your PPE, and I will be wearing these. Obviously, y'all see what happens. So make sure you wear your proper PPE, because yeah, you might want to have all your limbs and your eyes. All right. Definitely putting on the safety goggles. All right, you guys, so this is as straight as I can get this. I will be going ahead and start it up. So there goes the startup, and woo, that is a clean cut, you guys. Nice. Now I gotta pick that piece up. All right. Don't do this with your bare hands because it's gonna be so hot you will burn yourself. There you go. I'm gonna release this. All right. Woo, and that is hot, even with my gloves on. All right. So there you go. I did cut in the angle, but I'm just showing y'all the cut. Now I could have cut it. I could have cut it. I could have. I could have cut it faster, but I did have the clamp in my way, and if I was on y'all side cutting, it would have been like zoom. So this thing cuts pretty fast, you guys, so that's nice. Now the real test will be some really thick metal, but I don't have none on hand right now. Subscribe to the channel. I will feature this again another time, but I will feature it again. Most of my tools I feature all the time on the channel anyway. So that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.